All right, folks, how you doing? Russell, TrueResults303.com. Check out the website. Subscribe to the free newsletter. Get instant updates whenever new material comes out. Check the description box on YouTube so you can connect with me via Facebook, Twitter, whatever it may be. Coming at you today with a quick video on whey protein or meat protein versus a plant-based protein, rice, pea, hemp, whatever it might be. So when you're looking at the two, or if you hear anything about the two, whey protein or a meat protein is usually going to be considered a complete protein, versus a plant-based protein is going to be considered an incomplete protein. So a lot of people wonder why that means. They usually think it means it's missing one of the essential amino acids, when that's a lie. It still contains all the essential amino acids. The one thing it's lacking is just the quantity of that amino acid. So I've got two containers here. You can see right here. I used to do quite a bit of vegetable protein. So I have this one, as you can see, a rice protein. I have this one I got on sale. That's why I have it. You can see that. That's a whey protein. So we can look at the essential amino acid structure. I don't know if that's gonna focus or not. So I'll leave it up there for a few seconds just so you can actually look and glance. I'll bring it down, pause it. Trust me, I'm looking right at it if it didn't focus. They all have the essential amino acids. They all have it. The only thing, like I said, the difference between them is a plant protein is going to lack, one plant protein is going to lack something that another one has. So you have to do combining then. So you would combine like rice and beans and things like that. You would combine those two foods together to make that complete protein. There's other research out there that says, oh, the body doesn't use all those amino acids at once. So even though the rice protein might be lacking in whatever essential amino acid that it is lacking in, like we said, in the quantity of it, it still has it, just the quantity is less. That the body from other meats that you consume throughout the day will still have that amino acid flowing through it, so it won't be that big of a deal. That's what some research out there is saying. Some people don't like that. So I've got one of my nutrition books here because I can never remember what plant proteins you're supposed to combine. So I'll bring that up right there. You can see a little diagram on what you should be combining together, which plant-based proteins you should combine together. So right here, it's going to say any type of nut or seed with a legume, which would be some form of a bean. If you're making some form of a bean soup, just putting a little bit of milk in it or something like that. It's showing milk and cereal, rice and sesame seeds, peanut butter sandwiches, rice and beans, things like that. So it's not an incomplete protein. It just means that we have to combine it with another plant-based protein. So two plant-based proteins usually going to have to be taken together. So there you go. There's the breakdown. Whey protein or an animal protein versus a plant protein. Either or are good. If you have digestive issues with the whey protein, there are a lot of people who can't digest a whey protein, so they just give up on it. And they don't use a protein supplement. If you need a protein supplement, try one of these rice proteins. Rice, pea protein, hemp protein. If you get one of those crazy expensive, like Vega, I think it's called Vega, something like that, it's going to have a blend. It's going to be blended. There's going to be artichoke protein in there. Bunch of crazy stuff. So there's a quick breakdown of whey protein versus a plant-based protein. They're both good. Just with that plant-based, you're going to have to combine a little bit. But once again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Don't forget to share these videos, like these videos. A lot of people out there have these questions. Somebody you might know has this question. Right now, I've just given you the answer. And I might have some answers to a bunch of other problems that they're having in their lives as well. So once again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video.